here in London, Charing Cross Road, and I'm just about to nip over to this place called Bunsik. I've always been fascinated by this place. It's always got a mad queue of people over there, and I'm just curious to go and see what it's got. I think it's like corn dogs or something. But anyway, I'm going to queue up and get myself one or whatever they have. Okay, so we got it. We got a beef hot dog one and a potato and mozzarella. They're inside a little box at the moment, but I'm really excited to see what these are like. Massive cube. Actually, it appeared quite quickly. I'm just going to try and find something to eat it. So I think we're going to head off to Leicester Square, see if we can find a little place to perch around there. Okay, everybody. So here we are in Leicester Square, about to bite into these Bunsik beasties, sitting literally just opposite the Max Empire Casino. Oh, look at these beasties, look at them, man. So this must be the beef one, and that must be the mozzarella and potato. So let's go beef first, look at it. I went for Bunsik mayo on both of them, which is, oh no, so bulgogi mayo. Whatever it is, it's like a spicy mayo. Let's go for this beast, look at it. The old one doesn't blow away. Right, let's go for it. That's amazing. That's just so good. It's like... That's so good. That mayo is good as well, actually. It's like a... I don't know how to describe it. The sausage is really soft. It's halal beef sausage, really soft. That crunchy outside, it's almost kind of steamed it. Well, no, just so good. And you see why there's so many people queuing up at it. It's just weirdly, it's like weirdly soft. It doesn't feel too filling. The potato around the edge is not too heavy. Or is it corn? I don't know. Not entirely sure, actually, whether it's potato or corn, but it's kind of melty. Or maybe we'll tell with the other one. Whatever it is, it kind of melts. But that. The beef sausage inside is fantastic. I think it's that kind of. It's got a really good aftertaste as well. I think it's because that's when the mayo kind of kicks in, and you taste that mayo flavour coming through. And it's crunchy. When you go in, really crunchy. Like crunchy outside with that lovely sort of panko breadcrumb, I suppose. It's really, really good. It's actually quite filling as well. The mayo is meant to be spicy, not very spicy, slightly spicy. But, that is insanely satisfying. Really good. Oh, it's something weird. I think it's that mayo. Its aftertaste just gives you that little burn just at the end, which is just perfect. Get this side. Hard to eat. Really good. Right. Yeah. Now this one, potato and mozzarella. Let's try this one. This one's wobbling around a bit on its stick. And there's pigeons coming for me now. Right, let's go for this one. Oh, really good. I'm not entirely sure where the potato is, but maybe the potatoes are bits on the top. You know, sort of you know, the square bits. That must be the potato. Really good mozzarella. Quite light. Well, not too fatty. Really good. No. I thought the beef one would be better actually. This is exceptionally good as well. Okay, so all these pigeons that appeared, but they've gone now. So let's keep going on this one. So the mozzarella. So I think you've got a similar bun inside. So you've got a similar inside to the actual stick, and then I think the potato bits are. Well, bits on the outside, and the mozzarella on the inside. Good man. The mozzarella is fine.
But the thing is, so they haven't done retractable roof.
Because your pigeons are coming back. Actually, surprisingly filling. It's supposed to be quite heavily all the stuff around them. Yeah. Some of the mozzarella. Really nice mozzarella. Glad it just tastes amazing. I think you've got that bland sort of potato outer shell, and then mozzarella inside is just dreamy. I think you could eat more than two of these. Oh, quite filling. And, which is better? I'm not sure. Let's go back, try the sausage one again. Awesome. So good. Flavour. Really good. Okay. That are amazing, those. I'm actually going to save some later. I'm so full. Right. So, Bunsik, out of 10, 9. I think it's amazing. Just a weird thing. I never ever thought of trying and eating, but it's absolutely divine. Just, oh man, it's just something really Moorish about it, and really, even though you're full, you just want to keep cramming it in. There's also loads more things on the menu you can order. Let me just quickly tell you. So, just some of the other things you can order. So you can get the original. So you can get an original hot dog, a half and half. I think that's like half cheese, half hot dog, octo legs hot dog. I haven't really got a clue what that is. Potato hot dog, potato and mozzarella, which is I got. Cheese and cheese. That's actually £7.50 at cheese and cheese. Like some massive thing. I think like the mozzarella, also covered in cheese. Beef hot dog, what I got, set for 2. Chicken hot dog, half and half chicken. And you got loads of other things in there. I'm guessing this is Korean. I'm not sure. Loads of other things in there, like I've actually got like sort of not quite sushi. It's got little sort of almost stew things with maybe vegetables in, and yeah, like little sort of rice sushi rolls, but not with fish in it. Anyway, absolutely amazing. Bunsik. I thoroughly recommend it. Charing Cross Road, just near Leicester Square in London. Absolutely mad, and the place has always got a mad queue outside, and you can see why. So 100% recommend it. Everybody, go to Bunsik. Okay, Thanks for watching, and as ever, please like and subscribe both to this TravelDog and my other channel, arttop10.com. Ciao, auf Wiedersehen, Havar, Adarafiz. Bye bye everybody. See you all soon. Bye bye.